My dear 10 students, in the polynomial, I will consider the last concept, that is division algorithm for polynomial. Division algorithm for polynomial. So, you already know that in the division problems, okay, 13 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, the remainder is 1. So, this is what, this is what, this is what, and this. So, 13 is the dividend, okay, dividend. And 4 and 3 divisor, 4 is divisor, okay, 3 is quotient, quotient, and remainder is 1 plus remainder, okay. So, for these problems, we can take any problems on the division. Dividend is always equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, let us see here, dividend is 13 is equal to, divisor is 4 into quotient is 3 plus remainder is 1. 13 is equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 is equal to 13. For this, so we have to conclude what, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, in the polynomial also we have to take like this only. The polynomial, dividend of the polynomial you can take as p of x is equal to g of x is what, divisor g of x into q of x plus r of x. So, this is what is the general form, okay. So, dividend polynomial, in the polynomial of variable x, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. G of x is the divisor, q of x is the quotient, r of x is the remainder. So, in this case we have to learn what, the long division method. They have given p of x and g of x. We have to find out what, q of x and r of x by long division method. How to find out the quotient and remainder by long division method? The question is like that. I will take only one example. Let us see here very carefully how to solve the long division method here. Okay. Example number 1 is 2x square plus 3x plus 1, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. Okay. So, this is divided by this. It means what? This is what? P of x. This is dividend. Okay. Let us see here, P of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. X plus 2 is what? G of x is equal to x plus 2. We have to find out what? Q of x is equal to question mark, R of x is equal to question mark. Okay. So, they have given dividend and divisor. We have to find out what? Quotient and remainder. How to solve this one? There are mainly 2 to 3 steps are there, very important steps. Let us see here one by one. So, first p of x can be written as 2x square plus 3x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. First is your job is to check out whether the p of x and g of x in decreasing form or not, decreasing form of their exponents. Just check out. If those are not in decreasing form, just write in decreasing form. Otherwise, directly you can solve. Here 2 is there, here 1 is there, constant is there. Here 1 is there, constant is there. So, both are in decreasing form. Okay. So, no need to write in decreasing form. Already they have given in the decreasing form only. Okay. This is the first step. What is the first step? Always consider whether p of x and g of x are decreasing form or not. Just check out. This is first step. Second step is very important step. So, observe here, first always consider first step and first term, first term and first term. If x we have to multiply any term, then we should get what? 2x square. What is the term here? So, 1x is there already. So, we can take 2x into x, 2x square. Otherwise, we can take 2x square. What is the first term here? Divided by x. 1x get cancel, 2x. We have to multiply what? 2x into x. Then we will get what? 2x square. Why it is needed? Because of cancellation. We have to cancel the each term in the particular steps, then we will get finally the remainder. Is it right? Let us see here. Okay. So, we have to multiply x to 2x, it becomes what? 2x square. Okay. Never bothered about what? The next term, just multiply as it is. 2 2s are means plus into plus is plus only. 2 2s are 4x divided by. Okay. So, always in the division problems you have to subtract each other. Plus becomes minus. Okay. So, we have to consider this sign, not this. Okay. So, minus 2x square plus 2x square get cancelled. Minus 4x plus 3x. Okay. So, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1, the variable is x, therefore, minus 1x minus x. Take 1 to the down, plus 1 as it is. Again, next minus x is there, here x is there. Again consider first term with first term. Minus x divided by x can get cancelled. The remaining value is minus 1. We have to multiply what? Minus 1. Okay. Take next one, minus 1. X into minus 1, minus x. Plus into minus, 2 1s are 2. Okay. Again, we have to change the sign here. Minus x becomes plus, minus 2 becomes plus 2. Plus x minus x get cancelled. Plus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 3. Okay. So, this is what the various steps of what? Solving the problem of polynomial. Let us see here, 2x minus 1 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder. Lastly, we have to write what? Q of x, quotient. Q of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay. Next, 3, R of x is equal to 3. Okay. So, P of x is this, G of x is x plus 2. What we have to prove? Q of x and R of x. Therefore, by this solution, so we got what? Q of x is equal to 2x minus 1, R of x is equal to 3. So, I will repeat once again here. The first, your job is to write in decreasing form. The second step is observe carefully first term with first term. So, we have to cancel one by one, then finally we got what? The remainder. Is it right? So, you can solve some more examples based on the division algorithm. Okay. Thank you.